Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm showing you a transformation from these short bitten nails into some still short nails but a bit of a makeover if you like with some acrylic. So I'm just pushing the cuticles back now with my Eiffel tool from Navy Pro Tools, just scraping that dead skin up. And then I'm going to come in with my cuticle bit, and first I'm going to go around anti-clockwise to the left side of the cuticle, and then I'm going to change the rotation on my E-file and go round clockwise on the right hand side of the cuticles, just to kind of like really lift that skin away and make sure all the dead skin is off of the nail plate. And then I'm going to come in with my cuticle nippers and I'm going to nip away any of that dead skin that we don't need that's overhanging the nail, just to give us more space to work on. If these nails were a lot shorter, I'm sure you would have seen when people bite their nails so much that they're like even half of what my friend here has, then I would probably sculpt. But as they're not that short for bitten nails, I do use tips, but we only sort of extend them out to the end of the fingertip. So I'm just using my sanding band on a low speed of my E-file just to etch the nail plate. Now I'm just shaping the tips of my hand file. I cut out the part where I stuck the tips on because I was completely out of shot, so sorry about that. But yeah, so I'm just filing them into the desired shape, and then I'm going to come in with my sanding band again and just blend those in a little bit. So I've dusted off the nails and I'm coming in with my dehydrator and now my acid primer. All the products that I'm using in this video are from Diamond Nail Supplies. I've got a discount code for you as usual, Emma10, to get 10% off. So I've gone in with a clear thin layer of acrylic, and now I'm just coming in with my colours. So we're using the colour Matcha, which is like just a really gorgeous like pastel green, and this pink that I'm using is from the Core line and it's called Stripped. So I'm using that to create a small little nail bed here so that we can do a cute little French nail. The tip of that's going to be Matcha as well. Just doing a bit of a mixed design really, so a couple of ombre and a small marble, and I'm also going to be adding in some silver holographic butterflies, which I think I got those from Nail Tech Supplies. I thought they're quite cute. I've been wanting to use these. So once like the designs are all down with these, I'm going to encapsulate the nails with my clear acrylic and then file them. So yeah, I'm capping the nails with my clear acrylic just to kind of protect the design work, so that I'm not filing anything away. But I'm not, it doesn't take a lot really on these because they're so short. You don't really have to worry about the structure too much, just so long as they're sort of all smooth. You don't really have to worry about an apex too much on nails this short. But obviously if you have got your clients with these short nails and they're coming to you regularly to sort of grow them out, obviously the longer they get, the more you'll have to think about putting that apex in. but on short cute little nails like this it doesn't really matter. You just want a cap to protect the design work more than anything else. So I'm just tidying up that shape with my hand file, and then I'm coming in with this fine grit cone e-file bit to just smooth out the nails, debulk them a little bit. I didn't need to use my hand file after this either. I just went straight in with my crystals and then top coat. So the top shine that I'm using is the Diamond Nail Supplies Tack Free Top Gloss. And the crystals that I'm using are all from Scatter Crystals. That's usually where I buy all my mixed crystals from. I find that they've got the best kind of mixes and prices as well, personally. I'm not paid to say that, it's just my usual go-to place. I have bought from the other places like Blue Streak, Crystal Parade and stuff, but I seem to go to them more. And then to stick my crystals down, I'm using my Diamond Nail Supplies crystal resin, which is the best one I've ever used. And yeah, it's nice and cheap. I think it's like £3 or £4 for a bottle. Lasts ages, super strong. So once I've stuck these down, I'm going to top coat the nails, making sure to go around the crystals, not over them, because otherwise they won't glisten as nicely. And then yeah, I'll come in with a little detail brush to just make sure that all those crystals are really sealed in. And then I add my cuticle oil once they're all cured, and then I've left you a picture of the finished result at the end. If you've got any questions, then just pop them in the comments and I'll answer you. You can also DM me as well, that's no issue. Yeah, just please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.
Every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, if you hadn't run away. Every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to